Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot. Maple Glazed Turkey with roasted apples and pears. You know, the turkey is the main attraction to the Thanksgiving table. So let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using: pure maple syrup, apple cider, black pepper, salt, nutmeg, allspice, unsalted butter, the apples, and the pears. And of course, the turkey. I've already washed it in lemon juice and rinsed it several times in cold water. I have a roasting pan here, and I have it lined with aluminum foil. And I have a rack here to put the turkey on. This is the turkey I just cleaned. I had it on this plate in the sink, draining. Now, this is what we do. I have some salt and black pepper here. I have Himalayan pink salt that I'm using. You rub it all over the turkey, the salt. Put some in the cavity. Massage the salt, the black pepper, all in the turkey. And then we have the unsalted butter here. And we rub it all over the turkey. We could continue to rub the butter in the turkey. Gotta get both sides. And we'll flip it over again. Get the side. Put some butter. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now, I set the oven to 350 degrees. We're going to put this in the oven for 2 hours. And after 2 hours, we're going to come back and check it. While the turkey is roasting in the oven, now we will make the maple apple cider glaze. I have a saucepan here, and we're going to turn it on medium low. I'm adding the apple cider, the maple syrup, the nutmeg, and allspice. And we're going to stir this up and let it simmer until it makes a thick syrup. Well, let's check and see how the glaze is coming along. Yes, it's good. I've taken the turkey out of the oven, and now let's baste it. You're supposed to baste it every half an hour for the last part of the cooking of the turkey. Let the glaze run all down the turkey. Here, hitting the cavity. Now we're going to cover it up with the foil and put it back in the oven and let it cook for a half an hour. Then we're going to take it out and baste it again after half an hour. Now, while the turkey is in the oven cooking for the last half an hour, we're going to assemble the apples and the pears. You cut it in half, and then you cut this in half again, so it'll be in quarters. Cut the core out of it. Because we are going to put this in with the turkey. You see? Now we're going to do the same thing with the pear. Cut it in half, then cut the half in another half. You see? Then I will be back and put them in the pan with the turkey. I've taken the turkey out of the oven, and now it's time to add the apples and the pears. Then this goes back in the oven after I baste it. Put them all around it. Okay. Now we're going to baste it again. Brush it all over the turkey. Brush the glaze all over it. Now we're going to put this in the oven again and let it bake for another 30 minutes. And then we'll glaze it one more time. So, in all, it's got an hour more to cook. So now I'm going to cover it up with the foil. Again, this is so the breast doesn't burn because the turkey breast cooks very quickly. Here you have it, maple glazed turkey with roasted apples and pears. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.